Today we will learn about the days of the week. There are 7 days starting from Monday and ending with Sunday. Each day has its own name and meaning. This lesson will help you remember all 7 days in order. Monday is the first day of the work week. It is often seen as a new beginning and a chance to start fresh with productivity. People usually plan their tasks and set goals for the week on Monday. It is an important day to organize and prepare. Tuesday is the second day of the work week. It is a day for focus and determination. Many people have meetings and work hard to make progress on their projects. Tuesday helps keep the momentum going after Monday. Wednesday is the middle day of the week, also called the midpoint. The name comes from Latin, meaning the day of the god Mercury. It is a day to reflect on progress and keep moving forward in the week. People often think of Wednesday as the halfway point. Thursday is the fourth day of the work week. It is named after the Norse god Thor, who is known for strength and thunder. This day is seen as a powerful and productive day. People often prepare to finish their work and meet deadlines by Thursday. Friday is the fifth day of the work week. It is named after the Norse goddess Frigg. Friday is often linked with relaxation and excitement because the weekend is near. Many people finish their work on this day and plan for social activities in the evening. Saturday is the first day of the weekend. It is named after the Roman god Saturn. This day is for rest, leisure, and spending time with family and friends. People use Saturday to relax and enjoy hobbies or fun activities outside of work. Sunday is the last day of the week. It has religious importance as a day for worship and rest in many cultures. People often spend Sunday reflecting, relaxing, and preparing for the week ahead. It is a calm day for family time and peaceful activities.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.